Hi, it's Jane Mann, esthetician in Las Vegas, Nevada, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about the lift in the treatment room. The lift is a microcurrent probe and it attaches to the majority of microcurrent units on the market, except those that are handheld. So I have got my lift, it's attached, and something that we have recently found out that is super exciting is that the polarity of the current no longer matters with the lift because of the proximate distance between the electrodes. So now the negative does not need to be on top to get superior results. Anyway, I'm using the Neurochus 3800 and I have it on tone, and I'm going to just start out on my client's neck. And you can see I'm going at a rapid pace because I like tone. I'm using tone like I would oxygenation, and then I will utilize this same program as a lift. So I'm going in and you can start to see a real mild flushing on my client's neck, and this is just bringing a great blood flow. Then I'm coming up to her face, and I'm using the lift just like I would the Anma. And the versatility of the lift is, you can see I can angle this. I can go in and work out some of the restricted areas almost as a massage tool, going in and out those lips. I can come up right underneath that cheekbone, and you can see all the circulation. And that's one thing that I really love about the tone program, is not only am I able to influence muscle, but I'm also getting a lot of circulation and blood flow. Now I'm just going to kind of stop, and I'm gently just going to come up really slowly. And this is giving a chance between the electrodes, the positive and the negative, to excite the cell and create a small amount of an action potential, or minuscule contractions in the muscle that kind of fool the body that it needs to create more ATP. Then I'm going to go ahead and angle, and I'm going to drag all the way out and down her lymphatics. Then I'll do that again, going up. And really engaging underneath that jawbone, kind of clamping in and holding. If she's really tight in that jaw area, I can kind of knead the probe down, really kind of extending that muscle along the jawline or the mandible. And then I'm going to drag it all the way to the ear. Now look at this lovely flush. All of this is circulation. And as you've heard me say before, a woman loses nearly 60% of her microcirculation when she's over the age of 40. Now I'm going to just nestle these bottom probes in, lift up that cheekbone, and I'm going to hold. While I'm holding, I'm always kind of checking her skin, making sure that the conductive gel is still moist. And if it's not, I have a misting bottle that I can go ahead and spray her and mist her at any time. One of the coolest things about the lift is the versatility. I can be working the cheekbones and just angle my wrist up, now lifting into the temporal area. I can pick it up and lift the eye area, and I can even go into the hairline. Any more questions, please email me at byjanemann@gmail.com. I love your questions and comments. If you like what I have to say and you'd like to share it, please share it. And if you have a friend that might be interested in my channel, please shoot her an email to subscribe. I'd love to have the subscribers.